Hello everyone, myself Abhijit Sinha, and today I am here with the explanation of the paper of your half yearly exam. So let's start. Question number 1. Which soil is also known as cotton soil? It means it is black soil because black soil is comfortable because black soil is suitable for the cultivation of cotton. Number 2, write any one agents of gradation. Write any one agents. It's river, glacier, sea, ocean, and any one. Next is which two minerals present in crust. It means crust is made up of Cl. It is Si for silica and Al for aluminium. Silica and aluminium. It means crust is made up of Cl. Next is question number 4. What is the thickness of core? The thickness of core is 3470 kilometers. What is the lowest layer of atmosphere? It is troposphere. Number 6. Nitrogen occupies how much percentage of the total volume in the air? It is 78% and 21% occupied by oxygen, and rest 1 helium, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, neon, argon, etc. Next is who wrote Aine Akbari? Aine Akbari written by Abul Fazl. Which book was written by Chandbardai? It was Prithviraj Raso. Name the language in which Aine Akbari written. It was written in Persian. Where is the Sun Temple situated? It is situated in Konark, Odisha. Some of the students written only Odisha. So the correct answer is Konark. Who was the author of Kavi Rag Marg? The author of Kavi Rag Marg was Amok Verse. Who was the founder of Chol dynasty? Vijayalaya was the founder of Chol dynasty. The term Mandalam stands for. It is a province. Who defeated Pallavas? Chol defeated Pallavas, and some of the students written Pallavas defeated Chol. Cholas defeated Pallavas. Who was the first Muslim invader of India? Who was the first Muslim invader of India? The first Muslim invader of India was Mahmud Ghazni, and Muhammad Ghori after Mahmud Ghazni. Mahmud Ghazni defeated Caliph, and Muhammad Ghori defeated Ghazni. Who defeated Muhammad Ghori in the first battle of Tarain? He was Prithviraj Chauhan in 1191, and just after 1191 in 1192 Prithviraj Chauhan was defeated by Muhammad Ghori, or Muhammad Ghori defeated Prithviraj Chauhan. What do you mean by secularism? It means all the religions are equal before law, or all the religions are equal within our constitution. When did India become a republic? Some of you written as 15th August 1947. On this date, 15th August 1947, India became independent, not republic. India became republic on 26th January 1950. Who appointed the governor of a state? The president appointed the governor of a state. And next is, what is the maximum strength of a state legislative assembly? It is 500. And what is the minimum strength? It is 60. It means 60 to 500. What is the maximum strength of a state legislative assembly? It is 500. Distinguish between transported soil and residual soil. Transported soil is a word derived from the word transportation. It means the soil transported by the process of weathering or by agents of gradation. And when the soil remains at the same place, such types of soil is known as residual soil. Write the special features of sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rock is also known as stratified rock. It forms layer above one another. And the third one is the example of sedimentary rock. It is limestone, clay, chalk, etc. Next is question number 23. What is the importance of carbon dioxide and oxygen? The importance of carbon dioxide and oxygen are, first of all, we have to write about carbon dioxide. It is essential for maintaining life cycle of plants. It released by human beings and animals during respiration, and it consumed by the plants or trees and convert it into oxygen. And what is oxygen? Oxygen is essential for human beings and it is also known as supporting gas. Supporting gas means maintaining life cycle of human beings or living beings. Human beings and animals. Green plant replenish oxygen. Next one is discuss the literary sources of information of the medieval period. Medieval period का literary sources, it is biographies, autobiographies, religious text, non-religious text, records of rulers, temples and monasteries. Monasteries where Buddhist monks and nuns were lived. Temples, it is a pilgrim center. And record of rulers such as about Babur, Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir, Shahjahan, Aurangzeb or many other rulers about such as Prithviraj Chauhan, Chalukyas, Pandyas. Okay. Next one is biographies and autobiographies. Akbarnama, it is autobiographies, and biographies such as Prithviraj Raso written by Chand Bardai on account of पृथ्वीराज चौहान. तो इतना सारा अगर आप लिखते तो आपका आंसर काफ़ी अट्रैक्टिव होता. बट यू राइट ओनली बायोग्राफीज, ऑटोबायोग्राफीज, रिलीजियस, नॉन रिलीजियस टेक्स्ट. दैट्स इट. कम ऑन टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. राइट एनी 3 फीचर्स ऑफ प्रतिहारास रूल्स. Write any 3 features of the Pratiharas rules. The Pratiharas were great warrior. They were great pattern of art and literature. ये दो हम प्रतिहार में राष्ट्रकूट, चालुक्यास, पांड्यास, पाल्स जो भी एग्जाम में दिया हो उसमें ये दो कॉमन लिख सकते हैं. यू हैव टू राइट दिस 2 कॉमन पॉइंट्स. दैट इज they were a great warrior. All the rulers of Pratihars, Pals, Rashtrakutas, Chalukyas, Cheras, Pandyas, Chols were great warrior, and all they were having the great love of art and literature, or they were a great pattern of art and literature. They developed regional languages. Next is question number 26. Mention the three main achievements of Rajaraja. The 3 main achievements of Rajaraja were: he conquered the Chalukya kingdom of Vengi, he built the famous temple Rajeshwar at Tanjore, he spread the message of Ved, he took the title of Gangaikondam, and he defeated Pala king Mahipal. From these 5 points you need to write only 3. Next is question number 27. Write the 3 reasons responsible for the defeat of Indian rulers. It means what are the main reasons or why the Indian ruler defeated by the invaders or the rulers who invade India. First one is disunity among the Indian rulers. It means Indian rulers fought with each other to annex or conquer the other kingdom. Common people dissatisfied with their ruler because the ruler were inefficient. And the last one is Rajput rulers held the Turk. The Rajput rulers belong to India but they help Turks. These three are the main reasons behind the defeat of Indian ruler. Question number 28. Mention the main provision of the right to equality. All the citizens are equal before the law. Number 1. Number 2 is discrimination on the basis of religion, caste and sex. Discrimination on the basis of religion, caste and sex, etc. are prohibited. Everyone entitled to equal opportunities to get the job or to get the status or the position within the society. Next is question number 29. Discuss the 5 functions of Council of Ministers of a state. Number 1 is they administer and maintain law and order in the state, executes laws and decisions, formulate policies for the state activities, gives advice to the governor, make laws with the help of the state legislature. First one is they administer and maintain law and order in the state. It means in the state they maintain law and order. Execute laws and decision. Execute laws and decision means they drafted laws and decision which later followed by the people. Formulate policies for the state activities and gives advice to the governor also. It means Council of Ministers give advice to the governor. Make laws with the help of the state legislature. They make the laws with the help of the state legislative assembly or the state legislature. Next is describe the 5 powers of the governor. The 5 powers of the governor are he appoints the chief minister. Number 2, Council of Ministers also appointed by the governor but on the advice of the chief minister. All appointments to high offices in the states are also made by the governor. Number 4, he can call, address or dissolve the meeting or assembly. It means governor have the power to call the meeting or address the meeting or to dissolve the meeting or assembly. Every bill passes only after the consent of governor or only after the sign by the governor. Next one is question number 31. Explain all the major soil types found in India. The major soil types is black soil, alluvial soil, laterite soil, red soil, and last one is desert and mountainous soil. Desert soil is found in desert areas and mountainous soil is found on mountainous region. Registered black soil is comfortable for cotton or it is suitable for growing cotton. Alluvial soil it is more fertile. Red soil it is red in color because of iron oxidation, and laterite soil it is found in the heavy rainfall area. Next is question number 32. Write 2 characteristics of crust, mantle and core. It means 2 characteristics of each. Crust it is uppermost layer of the earth. Topmost layer of the earth. Topmost layer of the earth is known as soil. It is uppermost layer of the soil. Uppermost layer it exceeds up to 60 to 100 kilometer. Mantle it is middlemost layer of the earth and the thickness of mantle is 100 to 2900 kilometers. And last one is core. It is innermost layer of the earth and the thickness of core is 3470 km. It means 2900 km to 6370 km. And crust is made up of Sial, silica plus aluminium, and mantle is made up of Sima, silica plus magnesium, and core is made up of Nife, nickel plus ferrous. Next one is question number 33. Write 5 important features of Rashtrakuta Empire. First one is they acted as a bridge between North India and South India. Number 2, they maintained huge armies and encouraged trade in India. And number 3, they were a great patron of art and literature. Number 4, religious tolerance prevailed. Religious tolerance prevailed means all the religions are equal before the empire. Rulers followed Jainism but also patronized the other religions. And last one is question number 34, differentiate between Mahmud Ghazni and Muhammad Ghori. Mahmud Ghazni, he conquered Khalif. Muhammad Ghori, he conquered Ghazni. The main aim of Mahmud Ghazni was to plunder the wealth of India, and the main aim of Ghori was to conquer main part. Mahmud Ghazni, also known as a plunderer, and Mahmud Ghori, also known as conqueror. Mahmud Ghazni plundered the town like Nagarkot, Thanesar, Mathura, and Muhammad Ghori conquered some part of India such as Sindh, Lahore, Peshawar, etc. Mahmud Ghazni invaded India 17 times and looted Somnath temple, and Muhammad Ghori invaded India to conquer North India. Come on to the question number 35. A state which belong to alluvial soil, black soil and red soil. Alluvial soil, the area of alluvial soil is Punjab, Haryana, UP, Bihar. Area of black soil, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka. And the area of red soil, Jharkhand, Odisha and Tamil Nadu. And last question is 36. Places from where Turkish invader had come. They come from Afghanistan. Places which Turkish invader had conquered in India, Kannauj and Banaras. And state belong to Pratihar rulers, Gujarat and राजस्थान. बस इतना ही. So one more important thing or one more instruction is for you, that be sincere at the time of exam. Read the question very carefully and try to understand what the questions want, और क्वेश्चन का आंसर को आप कैसे अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हैं या क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है, ये तभी समझेंगे जब आप क्वेश्चन को अच्छी तरह से रीड करेंगे. ओके, थैंक्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू.